If you're experiencing issues with voice chat on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and unlock the functionality. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. Voice chat requires a reliable network, so test your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection to confirm it's working properly. Step 2. Update Steam Deck software. Go to the settings menu and check for any available software updates. Keeping your Steam Deck updated can resolve compatibility issues that may affect voice chat functionality. Step 3. Adjust voice chat settings. Navigate to the Steam settings and locate the voice chat settings. Make sure that voice chat is enabled and that your microphone and speakers are set to the correct devices. Adjust the volume levels as necessary. Step 4. Test microphone and audio output. Use the built-in voice chat test feature to ensure that your microphone is working correctly. Speak into the microphone and check if the audio output is functioning by listening for your voice through the speakers or headphones. Step 5. Restart Steam Deck. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, try restarting your Steam Deck. A simple reboot can often fix temporary glitches and restore voice chat functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any voice chat issues on your Steam Deck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.